All right, good morning, first period. I'm sorry I could not be there with you guys today, but I will be back tomorrow to lead the class, and I will be back about 10:30 today. So, Ruby, I will definitely see you during 7th period today. I do miss you guys, and I hear you guys are being quite successful. I'm super proud of you. So keep it up. Today you guys are going to write. So you are going to need a pen or a pencil and some notebook paper, which I don't have any to show you. Miss King is going to engage in discussion with you guys about the differences and similarities, or compare and contrast, of the presidencies of John Adams and Thomas Jefferson. Miss King has a PowerPoint that has this as slide number 1, and you guys need to complete this as a class. So if you notice, this is a Venn diagram, and on the left and right side are the differences of the president. You know, how are they different? For instance, John Adams, all he had was challenges, and Thomas Jefferson had a whole bunch of contributions. And in here, the center, where it says, how are John Adams and Thomas Jefferson alike, you are going to list their similarities. Once you guys are done, you will use this and your file folder to write a paragraph comparing and contrasting the presidencies of Adams and Jefferson. Now, on slide 2 of your PowerPoint are sentence starters. You will use these sentence starters to write a paragraph. Now, listen, you guys need to understand something. This needs to be a silent activity that will take place after we engage in a class discussion. But I want to know, or we want to know, what you guys know and how well you can write. Now, if you have questions, raise your hand, but don't ask a neighbor. Ask teachers only. We want to know how well you guys can write. Now, if you need to use a dictionary, there's one right down here underneath the screen in my room and in Miss King's room. Use it. Use the dictionaries. Use your teachers, use your folder, use the sentence starters right here, and use the notes on the Venn diagram, all right? It's very important that you guys finish this up, because tomorrow we're talking about the next president, Andrew Jackson. Was he a superhero or was he a bad guy? Can't wait to see you guys tomorrow. Can't wait to read what you have to write. And I'm ready to be back in the classroom and not in the doctor's office. So y'all have a good night, and I will see you later today.